Yes, friends, this is the place where people say, I want a tattoo, but I don't want my dad to see it. Because when you stand normally, hidden, when your dad asks, what is this black mark? You simply flex your muscles and say, Dad, it's just my gym progress. Jokes apart, beginners can watch this video fully because I'm going to share some useful tips. Hello art lovers. Welcome back to Tattoo 18. Today we are going to see one of the most sensitive and painful places to get a tattoo, the inner biceps. For this tattoo, I used a 3-round liner needle with a rotary machine. The ink is Dynamic Original USA Dark Black ink, one of the most trusted inks for crisp and bold lines. Since this is a simple script and Zodiac tattoo, there is no need for broad shading techniques. Clean line work, proper stretching of the skin, and patience are the key. Now, let's talk about our brave client. He chose the Scorpion Zodiac sign tattoo. And honestly, people born under Scorpio are just like this tattoo area. Sensitive on the outside, dangerous when you hurt them, and they never forget. Scorpio people are known for being passionate, loyal, and mysterious. They love deeply, protect their loved ones fiercely, and when they decide something, even Google Maps cannot change their direction. They are determined people. Sometimes they keep secrets so well that even their best friends ask, Bro, what are you thinking? And the Scorpio replies, That's classified information. But one thing is sure, Scorpios are courageous, and they always stand strong in difficult situations. So, if you are a Scorpio, comment below with a scorpion emoji and tell me whether these qualities match your personality. And if you are planning to get an inner biceps tattoo, remember, it may hurt for a few minutes, but the tattoo stays stylish for years. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please hit the like button, share it with your tattoo-loving friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Tattoo 18. See you in the next video. Until then, keep creating, keep inspiring, and wear your art with pride.